Have you ever imagined having a high-demand product that never goes out of style, backed by a reputable company and reaching millions of potential customers online? Picture this: a product that's always in demand, a product that never loses its charm, a product that's timeless. That's what we call an evergreen product. Now couple that with a trustworthy, reputable company that's got your back. A company that takes care of the operational heavy lifting so you can focus on what you do best, innovation and growth. But wait, there's more. Imagine tapping into the power of online platforms, reaching out to millions, even billions of potential customers at the touch of a button. This is not just about selling products, it's about building relationships, creating trust, and nurturing a community of loyal customers. Imagine the possibilities. A product everyone wants, a company you can trust, and the world as your marketplace. Now let me share a real success story of an entrepreneur who leveraged the power of online platforms to reach a massive audience. Meet John Doe, a visionary who saw the potential of selling natural food supplements online. Recognizing the high demand for sustainable products, he partnered with a reputable company that provided him with a steady supply of his chosen evergreen product. John faced fierce competition from established brands, but he was undeterred. The challenges were numerous, but he knew they were merely stepping stones to his success. He utilized effective marketing strategies, creating engaging content about the importance of sustainable living and the role his product played in it. He leveraged the power of social media platforms to reach millions of potential customers, utilizing their algorithms to his advantage. He organized campaigns, collaborated with influencers, and consistently engaged with his audience, building a strong and loyal customer base. The results were astounding. From a mere startup, John's business grew exponentially, reaching profitability within its first year. The natural food supplement became a hit, selling like hotcakes in a market hungry for healthier options. John's success wasn't just about the numbers, though. It was about making a positive impact in the world, one food supplement at a time. His business is a testament to how having a high-demand evergreen product backed by a reliable company and leveraging online platforms can turn dreams into realities. From a simple idea to a profitable business, his story shows us that the opportunities are endless when you have the right product and the right platform. So, are you ready to take your entrepreneurial journey to the next level? Opportunity is knocking at your door, presenting high-demand evergreen products and the chance to leverage the power of online platforms. Don't let challenges deter you. With the right product, a trustworthy company by your side, and the vast digital audience at your fingertips, you can turn your dreams into profitable realities. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others. Stay tuned for more insightful content to help you succeed in your entrepreneurial journey. Are you ready to discover an opportunity that could change your life forever? A gold mine that combines the right product, the right company, and the right opportunity? The reality of the digital age is that online engagement is not just a trend, but a thriving and continuously growing industry. This is where the future lies, and this is where you could make your mark. In the upcoming segment, we will delve into this rarely revealed opportunity, a chance that could potentially turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a successful and sustainable reality. To get a head start, we've provided the links in the description below. Feel free to explore and see for yourself the potential that this golden opportunity holds. Stay tuned and let's begin this exciting journey together.
Imagine a world where a single click can transform lives, including yours. Picture a groundbreaking product, unique and life-altering. Now visualize earning a whopping 20% from every sale you make. Sounds like a dream? It's not. It's reality. Welcome to the future of online selling, where influencers, bloggers, and online sellers like you are the game changers. We empower you with a personalized online shop, and yes, we handle delivery and provide all necessary tools. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to promote and close deals. And the best part, it's completely free. A free business opportunity knocking on your door. No more excuses, no more what ifs. It's time to seize the opportunity and start earning. Contact the person who shared this video with you to get your exclusive invite code. Welcome aboard, Changemaker. This is your moment. Your journey to success starts now. Visit ImuRegen.com for more information.